students. Now this is second part of class 9 maths video and exercise is 7.3. Now our question number 2. We have to solve here the question number 2 from exercise 7.3. So our question is AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB is equals to AC. Then so that our first question is AD bisect BC and the second one is AD bisect angle A. So at first what we have, the triangle ABC, and this one is our triangle, and according to the question this is an isosceles triangle and there is given AB is equals to AC. The two sides AB is equals to AC. And we have one median, that is AD is an altitude. AD we have to draw as an altitude. And when it says that altitude, that means these are forming the angle 90 degree. Now come to the solution. We have drawn a diagram and after that just we have to prove that AD bisect BC. The line AD bisecting the BC in the two equal parts. That means what we have to prove? We have to show that BD is equals to CD. So now come to the first question. First of all we will take the two triangles, this one and this one, from triangle ABD and triangle ACD. And in these two triangles we will write the similarities according to the question is given. AB is equals to AC. Here we have written AB is equals to AC and this one is given in the question. So we will write here given. And the second one is AD is equals to AD. We can see here this line AD is common for both the triangles ABD and ACD. For both the triangle this line AD is common. So now we can write here it common. Now the third part is ADB. This one is 90 degree. And now we can see from this triangle also ADC is 90 degree. So these are equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now we have fulfilled three conditions. So we can write it the triangle ABD congruous to triangle ACD by the criteria SAS, side angle side. And now come to the proving. So we have to prove that AD bisects BC. Now as we have proved that these two triangles are similar or congruous, now we can say that BD is equals to CD. So BD is equals to CD. By CPCT we can write it. And when we say that BD is equals to CD, then we can say that AD bisects BC. This means AD line is bisecting the complete BC in the two equal parts. So we can write it AD, hence AD bisects BC. So now come to the second part. Second part is what? AD bisects angle A. As we have proved that these two triangles are congruent, so we can write it easily, or we can see it, these angles are equal according to the CPCT. So now we can write it angle BAD is equals to angle CAD by CPCT. So we can say it, the line AD is bisecting the complete angle in the two equal parts. So we can write the 2-1 also. Hence AD bisects angle A. Okay. So now come to the question number 3, that is two sides of AB and BC and median AM of one triangle ABC. Let us understand the question at first. Two sides AB, BC and median AM of triangle ABC. So we have drawn two triangles, and now from triangle ABC, BC, sides AB and BC are respectively equal to sides PQ and QR. These two sides are respectively equal to the another triangle and median PN of triangle PQR. So we have this triangle PQR and AB and BC and median AM respectively equal to the triangle PQ, QR and the median PN. So these sides are equal to this triangle. So let us understand. AB is equals to which side? PQ. BC is equals to which side? QR. And AM median is equals to the median of triangle PQR, that is PN. Okay. So now come to the first question. What we have to prove? We have to show that triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. Okay. So now come to the solution. From triangle ABM and PQN, two triangles we have to take, ABM and PQN. Now the thing is given, AB is equals to PQ. AB is equals to PQ. This one is given in the question. AB are respectively equal to PQ. And now the another one is AM is equals to PN. The median AM is equals to median PN. This one is also given. Now come to the third one. BM is equals to QN. BM is equals to QN. How we are writing the BN is equals to QN? Because in question given there, BC is equals to QR. So now understand how these two are equal. BC is equals to QR. Okay, this one is given. Now AM and PN medians divides in equal parts. The AM is dividing the BC in equal parts, and the PN is median which divides the QR in equal parts. So now we can write it, because BC and QR are equal, so we can write half of BC is equals to half of QR. Okay, and the half of BC is what? We can write it BM, and the half of QR is what? We can write it QN. So now according to this we can write this BM is equals to QN. So we have three conditions already. Now we can write it, the triangle ABM and PQN, these two are congruent by the criteria SSS. Now come to the second question, that is triangle ABC. This complete triangle ABC, we have to show that this congruence to the triangle PQR. Now come to the condition. AB is equals to PQ. AB is equals to PQ. These are given. AM is equals to PN. AM median is equals to median PN. These two are also given. And now BC. BC is equals to QR. So this one is also given. So we have written here. And now because all the three are given, so we can write the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR and by the criteria SSS. Okay.